Morning, welcome to Sacred Enzyme. I'm Stacy. I'm out here in the yard. I thought I'd bring you out here with me. I want to show you a couple things that's happened since I think it's been almost 2 weeks since we amended the soil with the aloe and put our experiment to work. So I want to show you these papayas right here because these guys right here look so green after putting the aloe on them. I thought that's pretty incredible. I mean, those look really, really good, and they have grown tremendously. But what I really want to show you is these little citrus seedlings that I put the aloe on. They have maybe doubled or tripled in size, and the citrus greening is fading. So check this out. Look at that. Look at all the new growth, and look at this seedling to the back. But you see all the new leaves growing without the greening fungus, the greening disease on it. I think that's remarkable. And the peppers, I want to show you one of the peppers that I have to harvest. And these are peppers that I grew from supermarket seeds. Well, I got them at the fruit stand. So I want to show you one of these peppers because I'm fixing to pick it. And this is not a bad sized pepper from a pepper, but I put the aloe on it. Got this one. I got another little one. This is off a small plant, but it went ahead and gave me a red pepper. And then I have these right here. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is like huge. Unbelievable. I mean, look at this. Look at how good these are doing. And then all the seeds that we put down there, they're all going. They're all growing. That's a weed. But I mean, the aloe's breaking down, and then you know, some of it we cut into smaller pieces and threw in there. I mean, it's doing really good. But I mean, I've got tons of peppers. I mean, look at the size of this thing. And these peppers right here are delicious. So I'm really hoping the poblanos are going to grow. But I got 2 little peppers right here. Hey, this is enough. I can add these to dinner tonight, right? So I want to show you the garden beds that I started over here. And I'll tell you, I made these pretty cheap. I got some fence posts, some fence slats from Lowe's, and they were $2 a piece. So I got, I bought 2 for $6. I did 6 for each one, so they're 6 foot long. And then I have the other boards for the ends, so they're 3 foot wide. And then just screwed them together. I just got some little 2x2s and hooked them in, but I'm going to show you these. So this is what we're doing for the seed bank to grow the seeds. So I made these, and then I'm putting cardboard inside to help keep back the grubs, you know. And I did these, and then I did some skinnier ones. I thought these skinnier ones would be good for beans. So, you know, and it's not absolutely perfect. It's not perfect, but it's good. So I have 3 of skinnier ones, and then I have 3 that are 3x6. So I mean, actually the 3x6 ones were way easier to make because I didn't have to cut more wood. I just chopped them right in half. But I mean, I think it was $36 to make those beds, and the other stuff, the other wood was just wood I had here. So I mean, you can make you some raised beds. You don't have to, you know, do all kind of craziness. And to fill them in, we're just letting the grass grow a little bit taller, because you can see my grass is getting kind of tall. So we're letting the grass grow a little taller, and then we're going to cut the grass, which will only take a couple more days. It'll be up to my knees. And then I'm going to take my grass clippings and put them in the bottom of my raised beds, and leaves, and oak leaves. Always have leaves. So we're going to put some oak leaves in there, and then, you know, some cow manure. So that makes a great bed, because, you know, plants grow really well if they have a natural stuff, organic stuff. And then you have the, you know, your leaves break down. It amends your sandy soil here in Florida, because you can't grow anything in the sand. So I just was excited about that. And all my lilies are blooming, so I'm going to have tons of lily seeds. So if anybody wants to start swapping seeds, I'm going to have lots of chromium lilies. I'll take you over here and show you the chromium lilies, and I'll tell you all of the bees, the bumblebees absolutely love these lilies. But I'll show you the size of this thing. Here's one right here. This is a lily right here. It's chromium lily. And then these are the seeds. Look at the seeds on this. Every one of my lilies has these, and they're just full of seeds. So I'm going to harvest these seeds and share with my friends. We got to take, you know, time to put some of the stuff out. And these things grow so easy. You just set the seed literally on top of the dirt and it'll grow a leg out and attach itself. But here's the flower. And you're probably wondering why I'm not picking all of these. If you leave these on your lily, it'll grow you your own seeds. See, look at, if you leave, I've left these on, and the flower's producing the seed because the lily's a perfect plant. And that's why the lily is depicted in so many things with Jesus and religious things, because it's perfect. And, you know, we can't be perfect like a lily, but, you know, we can really try. We can really try, because if we try to do the best we can, and you know, when you have knowledge, when you have gnosis, you know better. You know, if you know that you shouldn't be doing something, and you know these things, then you're guilty as charged, right? It's repenting. So, you know, with that, I'm gonna take the dogs back in, and we're gonna get back at it. I'm out here getting my peppers. I started walking to the house and forgot them. So when you come look for me, I'll be here, because we're living in the past, present, and the future, all at the same time. So thanks for watching me on Sacred Enzyme, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.